Hello everyone, welcome to TNR Kitchen. Today we are going to make coconut bun. This is a very good dessert. For this you'll need lukewarm water and add some sugar inside it. 3 spoons. And then you're going to add the yeast and mix thoroughly till the sugar is dissolved. So now you have to close it and let it rest for 10 minutes for it to bloom. In the meanwhile, add 3 cups of maida, add half teaspoon of salt and mix it well together. Then you have to add the bloomed yeast and mix it till it becomes a dough. If it's a little dry, you can add some water to make it into a dough. In a stage, it'll start to become a dough and it will not stick to your hands, and that is what you want. And in this stage, you have to start kneading the dough. You have to make a work surface and spread some flour and start kneading the dough very well. This will make it soft and make the bread light and not dense. As you are doing this step, you have to see whether you can see all those web-like structures and knead it very well till it's very soft. See, now it's soft and it's ready to set. Now you have to make it into a nice ball and put it in a glass bowl like this. First, grease the glass bowl with oil or else it gets sticky. And then finally add some oil on top of the dough as well. And then you have to let it set till it risen. Now you have to take these things for the stuffing: sugar, cocoa powder, water and shredded coconut. So you have to light up the stove and first add your sugar. Then add the water, which is half cup of water, and then you have to mix it well because it should not get burnt. As you can see, it's starting to boil. And if you touch it and it becomes sticky and it forms lines between your finger, and that's what we want, then it's time to add the main ingredient, the shredded coconut. And then you're going to add the cocoa powder. This will give a nice chocolatey taste to the bun. After the mixture becomes thick enough, it's ready to be the stuffing. Now, after 2 hours, you can see the dough is really rised up, and then I really like this part of punching it. And then, just like we did before, we have to put a work area, spread some flour and then knead it. Don't knead it too much in this part as it will take off the air bubbles. So in this part we are going to divide this piece into 2 equal parts for the bottom layer and the top layer. Both of the doughs are ready now, and we have to just spread it out. It should have a little bit of thickness. It should not be so thin, and then only it can come in a bun. This step is optional, but if you do this step, it will become more spreadable. And then spread it on your pan, which you're going to keep in the microwave. And then you have to roll the next part of the dough and keep it, and then add the stuffing on the last part of the dough. Apply it evenly. So after applying that, you have to add the other part of the dough on top of that, and this will make the bun. Now cover it with some oil or ghee or butter and then rest it for 20 minutes. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now we have to put the egg wash on top and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's baked, you can take it out of the oven and then you can put some ghee on top. If you don't have butter, it's a nice option to add ghee. That's why we added ghee here. So let it cool in a cooling rack. And cut it into pieces like this. It looks great and tastes great too. Make sure you try this out. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be notified in every video. Thanks for watching. Bye.